Ever feel like life's on repeat? Same routines, same struggles, and no clear way out? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to break free from that stuck feeling and reinvent yourself, step by step. If you're ready to take control of your life and unlock your potential, stick around because this video is for you. I'll be sharing proven methods to help you shift your mindset, take action, and start fresh, whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal growth. Step 1. Acknowledge you're stuck. The first step to change is awareness. Take a moment to reflect on why you feel stuck. Is it a job you no longer love, a relationship that's not fulfilling, or simply boredom with your daily routine? Journaling or talking to someone you trust can help you identify what's holding you back. Once you pinpoint the cause, you'll know what needs to change. Step 2. Shift your mindset. Here's a truth bomb. Feeling stuck doesn't mean you're failing. It just means you're ready for growth. Start looking at this moment as an opportunity for reinvention. Adopt a growth mindset and remind yourself that every day is a chance to start fresh. Step 3. Set a clear vision. Reinvention needs direction. Ask yourself, what do you really want? Be specific. Whether it's starting a new career, learning a new skill, or prioritizing self-care, create a vision that excites you. Visualize what success looks like and feels like. Vision boards, mind maps, or even simple goal lists can help you stay focused on where you want to go. Step 4. Take small, consistent actions. The key to reinventing yourself is action. But don't overwhelm yourself with big, drastic changes overnight. Instead, focus on small, consistent actions that align with your new vision. For example, if you want to change careers, start by updating your resume, networking, or taking an online course. These small steps add up to big transformations over time. Step 5. Embrace discomfort. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Expect some fear or resistance as you make changes. That's normal. Instead of avoiding discomfort, lean into it. It's a sign that you're evolving. The more you practice facing discomfort, the more resilient and confident you'll become. Step 6. Surround yourself with support. Reinvention isn't a solo journey. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, encourage you, and hold you accountable. This could be friends, mentors, or even online communities focused on self-improvement. If you're struggling with motivation, having the right support system can make all the difference. Step 7. Celebrate progress along the way. Don't wait until you've completely reinvented yourself to celebrate. Every small win is a step in the right direction. Acknowledge your progress. It'll fuel your motivation to keep going. Remember, reinvention is a journey, not a destination. So there you have it, your guide to reinventing yourself. Which step are you going to start with today? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your journey. If this video gave you a spark of motivation, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it.